Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to install the fog lights for a Honda Accord 2016. It is pretty simple. You guys can see that you don't have to remove the bumper. You just got to remove these clips, these covers. They come out. You don't have to remove the bumper like I said. And this one, so this is the wire diagram. I bought this fog lights on eBay so you guys can get it from there too. So basically this is what you guys are going to get. This is the passenger side fog light. This one connects here, and this other one is on the driver's side, and it connects here. So I'm gonna remove those caps, install them, and these clips are gonna go here, and this one is gonna go here. And after this one, you have a relay and these connections. This one is gonna go on the ground. You can install it on a bolt, and this one is for the battery. It has to go to the battery. So this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna install those here and here and bring these cables up to here. And the red that I just told you is gonna come to this one. And the ground is I'll just probably put it here. Doesn't really matter. It has to be like on the frame of the car so you get ground. So I'll just do it here or here. Doesn't matter. So after that, you're gonna have this other wire. This other wire is gonna go through here. You're gonna run it through here, go all the way down, come here and bring it in. In the inside, there's like a little cup where it's gonna go in the cabin inside. Okay, so this one is gonna go inside, and this one is going to connect to this one. You see? And this one is gonna go get power from the inside, and this is the ground inside. And with this, you should be able to turn it on and off whenever you want. So I'll show you more in detail once I get more progress. So that's what I'm gonna start doing right now. All right guys, to remove this cover, you can just use a screwdriver, flat, and just pop it out. It's pretty simple. That's how I did it. It's no rocket science to this. So I'm gonna do the same with this one. See, you just bring it in. I'm gonna do it with my phone and doing this, but that's all you do. You just pull it out and then just work your way out and pull this out. All right guys, once you guys remove the covers, you're gonna run the wire. What I think is the best is once you come up here, once you remove this cover, you're gonna come up here with your hand. There's like some room to go all the way up and bring all the wire in. So you see, you bring it up here, and obviously this wire is the one that is gonna go inside. So I'm gonna run that through here. But also make sure the wire is not like close to the radiator, because that thing gets pretty hot. And obviously you don't want it to be touched to that, because obviously it's gonna cause problems. So what I did, I removed these covers and I run it out through here. I use my hands. So it goes from here to here. You see that? And it comes. Right, I'm getting ready to bring this cable in. So it's gonna come down to here, right? So you gotta remove this panel, this plastic, get it out of the way. You're gonna get the cable from here. And do you guys see that little cap in there? I don't know how you guys call it. So you guys can pop it out with a screwdriver, with the flat one. And that's where you're gonna bring in the cable. All right guys, once you guys bring the cable in through those holes that I was telling you, there's a bunch of holes. You guys can just pick whatever you guys like and just bring it in, right? So there's a bunch of options for you guys. So you guys bring this in, and you guys are gonna have to remove this panel. You see this panel? Just pull it out, it has some clips, and it's easy. Just pull it out, be gentle, because you can break it. And you see these covers? That's where this switch is gonna go. That's where the switch is gonna go. It goes right in. It's pretty simple. And so this connection, the switch has these connections. The blue one is gonna go to that one, the one we just brought in, to the blue one. The black one is the ground. That one you guys can just install it on this bolt. The one is connected to the frame, so it's gonna have ground. That's your ground. And this one is the power, the one that is gonna give power to the switch, so you can see the lights when it's on or off. So this one is pretty simple. You guys see these connections here? There is some connections, empty spaces, where you're gonna have to bring this one in. Just put it in there, in one of those connections that I was telling you. They go here. Okay guys, when you guys remove the panel, this one is gonna be like right in there. Just push on the back and it's gonna come right out, like boom. So you guys bring the cable in, and you just put it in and just go in there and look, it clicks already there, you see. And that's it, guys. That's how you install the fog lights on a Honda Accord 2016. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Have a good one.